Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. My name is V. In today's video I have two different finishing powders on. Check that video up on YouTube. Let me know what you think in the comments. And I am going to play in some makeup. If you have a palette that you want to play with today, take it out, pull it out, do a one color eyeshadow look, make something and create something that brings you some joy. Now I'm just gonna do my brows. I'm just going to apply my makeup over the finishing powder I already have. I'm using the NYX Skin Base Eyeshadow Primer. I'm just putting this on so I get a little bit more out of my color. If you're new here, I have very hooded eyes and one eye is bigger than the other. Sometimes one is puffier than the other. And when they're not puffy, I do have a fold. So I create looks that will help my gorgeous eyes. Base is on. I am using Bonjour Montreal eyeshadow palette by Essence. I am liking this little palette. I'll take this color and I'll put it up in the brow bone. Okay, I haven't swatched this palette. I don't know if this is a matte or a shimmer. It feels nice and soft. It is a matte. What you do to one eye, you want to do to the other, just so you have a little bit of formation. To this look, these are the colors that I use. I use 4 colors. This color right here is in the brow bone. This color right here is in the crease and on the lids. This color right here is outer and inner. And this color right here is in the middle. Neutral ladies, neutral guys, you can rock this. You can even call this a soft glam if you want to. Bonjour Montreal palette. Really nice. I had a little bit of fallout from this color right here. Nothing much. Play with your makeup, have fun, just do stuff that makes you feel happy. My lip color is 2 of JUVIA'S Place. I have Fumi and Dudu mixed together. If you wear glasses, you can rock this look also, and it will show through your glasses. So go ahead with your bad self and wear your makeup. Today's quote is by Oliver Wendell Holmes, and it says, "As life is action and passion, it is required of man that he should share the action and passion of his time, at peril of being judged not to have lived." Again, Oliver Wendell Holmes' quote says, "As life is action and passion, it is required of man that he should share the action and passion of his time, at peril of being judged not to have lived." If you're worried about being judged, and for that reason you're not living your life, you are missing out. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I, Simply You Makeup, will see you in another video. The Essence palette, Bonjour Montreal, is a neutral girl friendly. I love colors, but I also like to do looks for my neutral and natural men and women out there. Today's look. And with that said, I am saying bye. See you soon. I will see you in another video. Like, share, subscribe. Have fun.